Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I will be showing you how to use the AI chatbot embedded on the backend of your site, and you will be able to make it content aware, and you can make it to understand the post which you are creating, and you can get help from it to continue the post for you, or rewrite, or anything else, any operation which you can do with the AI chatbot on the post. This will be able to be done right in the chatbot embedded in the backend of your site. But now let me show you how to do this. First of all, install Aimogen, activate it, and go to AI chatbot menu. Click the chatbot website injection and click backend, as you will be able to embed it on the front end, the backend, or both, but in this case embed it on the backend. And I select bottom left to show the chatbot icon on the bottom left, not the bottom right, as it would not be visible for you because I am visible on the bottom right now. So go to chatbot customizations, and now we will be able to make it content aware. So for this, copy the post content shortcode and we can paste it here in the chatbot context menu. So to give the chatbot some additional context, we can write my post so far is, and we can write the post content shortcode between quotes. And now save settings, and note that this will work also on the front end. So if you have a post on the front end, for example, speaking about how to ride a horse, you can use this method to make the chatbot content aware. And if users go on the front end on a post which is about how to ride a horse, they can ask the chatbot about, hey chatbot, what is this post about? And the chatbot will reply that, hey, this post is about how to ride a horse. But now let me show you how to use this feature to continue articles using the chatbot. So for this, let me create a new post. How to ride a horse. And let me write a line here. Learning how to ride a horse can be difficult, but following these steps you can make it easy. Okay, so now let's save draft. And it is important to refresh the post because currently the chatbot can access the content in the backend only if you refresh the post that you saved as draft. And now we can come up here with our chatbot and we can tell it that continue the article. And the chatbot will get now this content and it will be able to continue the article for us when it processes the text. So for this we can wait a bit and the chatbot will generate its response. And here it is. 1, make sure your horse is properly equipped. So note that it generated this WP paragraph. So if you want to use this WP paragraph, then simply go into code editor and paste the content below it. And in the visual editor, you will see that you will get the edited content like this. So we can also save draft and we can get our content like this. Okay, so this is how you will be able to edit your posts using the Aimogen plugin. And if we check our post here on the front end, we will see that the tips are there. How to ride a horse, make sure the horse is properly equipped. And yeah, this was given by the content aware chatbot. Okay, so this is all for today. If you have more suggestions, ideas, or anything else, let me know in the comments of this video. Aimogen is linked in the description. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.